So let me show you how to check available storage space on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So swipe down and tap on settings. So that should open up the main settings page. And on the main settings page, scroll down until you get to device care. Tap on that. And then under device care, you can go to storage and you can see your storage information. So you can see that this is a 64 gig watch, which is the total capacity. And we've currently used 14.97 gigs. So that's almost 15 gigs. That's already been used. And the balance is the difference between 64 and what you've used. And so you can also see what occupies how much space. So you can see for me, audio is 7.07. My apps are 445 MB. My watch face is at 36.92 MB. All right. So that's basically how you can do that. Now, you can also manage this on the phone. So you can go and delete some stuff just to save some storage space. But I have plenty. So that's how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.